There is a black river streaming towards white crystal mountain. The river is thick and full of mud. When it touches the crystal wall of the mountain, it turns to the transparent water of life. The mountain is the abode of the divine. Here dwells the purest light of consciousness. It spreads its beams to all hearts. It sees through all souls. We are all on the way of return to the formless abode of the divine. The black river, full of mud, dark, dirt, stirred waters, leads us through the zones of crocodiles, where we have to have courage to move through their mouth. But then there is the golden bridge that connects two realms, the world of materialism and the world of the spirit. If your soul is ready to stretch between two opposites, then it finds its way beyond. And then you go to the healing hot springs of Kali to feel that healing is bringing us oneness. Healing is wholeness, is holiness. It is to invite